Namaste. Welcome to Wesmarc Mega Factory, where you will discover a revolution in doors and frames. Our doors are a complete system. They include the doors, the frames, handles, hardwares, and all other installation accessories all put together, making it truly a world-class solution. At Wesmarc, we don't just make a door, but a super door, which offers superior protection, aesthetics, and finish. With Wesmarc Super Doors, we want to put doors as the same position as that of tiles, marbles, bathware, sanitary, wallpaper, CP fittings, chandeliers, bathrooms and kitchens to that same level as that of our modern Indian home. Welcome to our Wesmarc Training Academy. Here we have a thorough program which includes the training process, including both theory as well as a practical course. We strive to create a network of installers who can then take up the installation works at site. Once certified, a Wesmarc certified installer can install our super doors and frames with just his two hands in under 60 minutes at any given site. That's the convenience we bring.
Wesmarc Super Doors is our offering to the people of Bharat, a super product manufactured in our state-of-the-art automated manufacturing facility in Bengaluru, which is better than the best door factories anywhere in the world. With Wesmarc Super Doors, I believe someday all doors will be made this way.